Hey, so today we're doing best time to buy and sell a stock. So given an array, we want to find a day which is the best to buy and a day which is the best to sell. So in this output, we have, let's code this one up. Let's type this up. So the array is 7, 1, 5, 3, 6, and 4. So the output is 5, and that's happening because we are buying on 1 when the price is 1, selling when it's 6. So 6 minus 1, 5. So we want to maximize the profit. We want to see which days we should buy on. Now you can do a trivial solution to this, which would be ON squared. You just go over every index in a nested for loop and check what the biggest difference is, and do that for every single index. That's quite slow though. So we are going to do an approach which uses two cursors. So essentially how it's going to work is we're going to have an ith cursor, which we'll put at the bottom, and a jth cursor, which will start at 1. So it'll always be 1 ahead, because you can't buy and sell on the same day. So it has to be 1 ahead. So our left cursor is going to be our buy, and our right is going to be our sell, since it's 1 ahead. Now how this is going to work is we're going to check our cursors. So if right is greater than the left, then we're going to perform our operations to continue the transaction. But if it's not, which is this case right here, so our condition is if right is greater than left, so if 1 is greater than 7, which is clearly false, then we move on. We will iterate both of our cursors. Oops. Now, is right greater than left? Yes. Yeah, it is. So, here, we will have our max variable, and we'll do the right minus left, yep, which is 4. So our max currently is 4. Awesome. Now, we are only going to move our right cursor this time, because we have no need to remove this one. It clearly wasn't bigger. So we only move both of them if the right is bigger. So here, now we have 3 minus 1, which is 2. So that's not going to be updated to our max. There we go. Now we're going to have 6 minus 1, which is 5. So our new max is going to be 5. We're going to go to our next one. That's going to be 3. Let's just say we have a new one. Oh, it doesn't help. Let's just do 0. And in this case, this one is bigger. Our left is bigger than our right, and it would move forward. Because it's obviously trying to get to here. But that wasn't the case, and our answer was 5. So that is the approach we're going to be doing, using two cursors. So let's go ahead and start doing that. So we're going to have, was that indented right? There we go. Int max equals 0. And we're going to need our left and right cursor. Equals 0, integer right equals 1. So, we're going to do while right, because right is always 1 ahead of it. So we want that to be the deciding variable of how long we go for. While is less than prices.length if, now remember our condition, if the prices right is greater than prices left, then we're going to do our operations. But if it isn't, then we're going to move both cursors. So in this operation, if it is greater than, then we want to check if it's more than our max to see if we need to update it. So if price is right minus price is left is greater than max, then we want to make max equal to right minus left. Great. So that's there. Let's tidy this up. So we go else. We want to move both cursors. So we're going to do left equals right. And then at the bottom, since right every single time is going to move, we're going to just increment right straight away. Now I think that's it for this one. So that'll work as, let's just run return max. Perfect. Awesome. Beats 93.